Hi everybody. This handsome fellow's name is Blizzard, and he is an all-white kitty cat with golden eyes and a little pink nose, little pink ears, and a little pink toes. He is a very nice kitty cat. He is 10 years old. He is front declawed. He's a male. Let me move that for you, honey bun. There you go, handsome man. And he's here through no fault of his own. He is here because his former family was moving and they could not take him along. They also surrendered a doggy, and the doggy's gotten a home already. So Blizzard is here hanging out in our free roaming room. He's got other kitty cat friends. There's some more up there. And he's waiting. You know who he's waiting for? He's waiting for you. He's waiting for you to come and see him and give him a lovely home. Blizzard is a very easygoing fella. He's great with his litter box habits. He's handsome. He's laid back. He took a little bit of time to get used to it here, but once he did, he adjusted just fine. He's a curious fellow. He likes to see what's going on. He likes to snooze. And he loves to be pet. He loves to be pet. He doesn't mind being picked up. He'll make a wonderful lap cat for you. So come and see our handsome man, Blizzard. And his adoption rate is only $45. What a deal. What a deal for a lifetime of love. Hey, honey. We love you. Yeah, we love you, honey. Yeah. Ooh, he likes his cheeks scratched. Hey, hon. He's purring. He's purring. Can we see her close up?